Paul, good to see you at Advanced Engineering 2019. Fabulous stand as usual. Now, you guys are very, very strong in the CAD/CAM market, obviously, with your products, but I'm interested to know why you're here. Is it about the industry sectors or about different materials at the show?
Well, actually, a bit of both. Tebis is very big in the automotive industry. We're working again with aerospace companies, but also in composites, which is maybe is quite a special thing for the CAD/CAM companies to work, because we have specialist software for trimming, which people really like. It's seen as the market leader. Yeah, it's something we're really keen to demonstrate here today. So.
Now, I know you guys have been very strong within automotive and aerospace, but one big theme, certainly that we saw at EMO, for instance, and we're seeing in the UK at the moment, automation. Mm-hmm. Now, your software actually has an area where you can actually use it to its full capacity, effectively.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's our key message is automation. And with the automation, actually what we show people is that how much automation we can put into your processes as a customer with our library structure. So the first library being tool library, where we contain not just cutter geometry, tool holders as most systems, but also things like speeds, feeds, step overs, step downs, material technology, even adjustable to machine sizes. There's a lot of information in there which can be used. We can even do things like tool matching with TDM systems. So yeah, there's a lot in there that people can benefit from. There's also the machine library, so we have virtual machine technology. Now this enables us to have all of the machine limits in reality embedded in the system. So you'll never get a toolpath that's not capable of being done in reality. All collision checked. You can even plan your jobs on the machine to see where the optimal setup position is. Then we have our feature libraries. Again, these features for standard things like holes, rectangles, maybe pockets, but also freeform features for open planes, contour areas. And with those attached are canned milling cycles, so we say. So sets of milling cycles or predefined for let's say center drilling, drilling a hole, reaming afterwards, all embedded, so it's all automatic. And then the final position of the automation, which is the utmost, the biggest part, is a full process automation. So we bring in a CAD file, we just manage the data, import a template, and off you go. The part will program itself.
And when you look at the software and how it develops, is it very much based on your customers' data coming back to you and maybe the need of actually having a different functionality?
Absolutely. I mean, our customers more and more want fast programming times, consistent quality. Yeah, all of these things are very helpful with the automation, because if you're doing this, the learning, that every company has this problem, that learning is with the programmer. And if a programmer leaves, or you want to add a new person to your team, do you lose some of this information? Do you have to have long training times to bring people up to scratch? With the automation, with all the information already set in the system, the information is with the company, not with the individual. So we can bring on more and more people into the team, have them programming at the same level as a more advanced programmer very, very quickly. And especially in the times that we're in, where maybe skill shortages are a bit of a short.
So. Now finally, there is a lot of CAD/CAM suppliers in the marketplace, but what makes Tebis different?
Okay, so as well with our automation, we have some specialist products as well. So the virtual machine product is our first. With the virtual machines, we actually check everything. So we're checking connections between tool paths. When we come on site, okay, if people buy this product, we will measure the machine and we'll incorporate the macros from the machine controller into the software. And all of this is done, so with an integrated CAD/CAM system then, we can verify as we're programming. Okay, so the virtual machine works on three parts. Planning to start with, as I touched on before, with the fact that we can plan where a component is on the machine for its optimal machining position. We can use all of the machine dynamics when we actually calculate the toolpath, so we're not going to get a toolpath which is not able to be reproduced in reality. and then the verification at the very end. So 3 parts of that, which is very special. And as we talked about, all the collision checks between connections between toolpath is all managed. We can even manage head changes on machine, all in the same virtual machine. Yeah, it's very special. And then we have some special products as well, such as our trimming functionality for 5-axis trimming, very specialised in the thermoforming area. So full collision checking on the head. We can manipulate vectors for dynamics, adapt for tool wear. Yeah, it's very functional. Yeah.
I was going to say there's a lot in the package, but for any engineers that are looking for a CAD/CAM system, what's your message?
So yeah, please come and talk to us at Tebis. We have some very special functionality that you can benefit from. We can standardise your processes for you. Standardisation is very important for any business. Please come and talk to us and we'll assess your business, and actually we can adapt the software to suit that standardisation you're looking for.
Great, thanks very much, Paul.
Thank you very much. Cheers.